Hello everyone, I am Mahmoud Yusuf from Autism Has Art, and today we are going to module the character Tom Hanks. Okay, let's start. We have too many ways to make a character. I will show you. You can make it with a sphere 8 by 8 or 6 by 6. It's up to you. Even till 16 is okay, but we can also create it from a cube. By create this cube, press tab, right click, subdivision. It will be like this. Make it the smoothest till 1 till the end, and then we are ready. We have something like that. Can just press 1 for vertex, select the bottom vertex, very bottom one, then Control plus delete faces. You will have something like that. Now before we start, just press 7, go to top view, select faces and select half of your geometry, delete faces. Now we have something like that. Just go to add modifier, mirror, so Blender will mirror our work, so we have half area to work and Blender will mirror it. Make sure the clipping option is checked in. So now we have something like that. Now let's extrude our neck. By go to side view, press 3 on your numpad, select vertex by 1, select this vertex, move it a bit like this. We could do it also Ctrl Z by proportional, G, Y, to have something like that. Then also this G, Y, like this. Okay, then let's press 2 for edges, select the bottom loop. Let's go to front view, EZ for the neck, SZ0 to flat it, so we'll have something like that. You can fix this later, but anyway, we have something now like that. So let's go to front view. Now for just shoulders, easy, something like that. Let's turn off proportional by pressing O. S, X, to have something like that. If we don't press FX, it will make it very wide in Y. So this is fair enough. Easy. Then we have something like that to extrude arms along with X. Then easy for the body. Then easy for the belt area. Now S for extruding legs. And why I scale it down before I extrude, because the legs is smaller than the body. So in the front view, easy now, and we have the legs. GZ, it's not enough to have something like maybe like this. Okay, we will add the choose letter, but anyway, now if I try to GX to get those legs away from each other, I cannot, because the clipping is on. Turn it off. Then GX a bit like this, and for sure legs from down is smaller than the upper area, so S to have something like that. GZ to get the legs bigger than that. S again. So anyway, you can play the whole day with this. And for shoulders, for sure it's wider than the whole body. Here, because see, the clipping is not on. S to have something maybe like that. Here is also small s, and on the belt here and here, S to inside to have something like a human body or so. Remember, this is low poly And remember also we need to add some modification, because this will be animated later in the course. We will animate this. So anyway, we have this shape now, and if the neck is very wide, you can just select it like this, press S like that, or so. It's your module, you have the time to modify whatever you like. Here I can extrude the arm, but this is very big for the arm, so what I will do, I will just shift Z to see it, then control R to add loop here, then another control R to add a loop here, then I will select those two faces. Let's go to front view now, shift Z for wireframe, E to extrude, let's say till here, E again till here, then E, let's say till here enough, then till here enough. Then let's now extrude the finger from here, ES to have something like that, G to have something like that, S again like this, G like this, and let's see what's this. Let's see something like that here. Yes. Okay. We will. So you can just scale it down from here or so. Anyway, for I cannot see this, and sorry, this. Let's ES. Then we have two options, even if we press E and go up, or just G and go with the whole hand like this, then SZ to have it thinner like that, and for sure have something maybe even like that, GX maybe like that enough. Can select two for edges, select this edge and this, and now let's scale it down on the Z to have something like that. You can also press SZ0, but sorry, I miss it. SZ0 to do something like that, but I don't like it. Let's SZ something like that, will be fair enough. So here and here could also SZ something really like that. Okay, and from here for sure it's center. Let's shift Z for wireframe. Here let's SZ, then S everywhere. Okay, have something like that. Here is also S everywhere because it's center. Then we could select this face, move it like this or so. You have the time to modify this, or even do rotation. It's completely up to you. Now let's come in this area by pressing 2, select this, all of this loop, then S a bit like that, maybe also G to have something like that. Anyway, it's completely up to you. I'm just showing you how you can do it. Then select this and this, then F, and now we could insert two loops here, Control R to have something here, Control R again to have something here. If we don't like this this location, double G, then slide it till here. Okay, now let's go for the choose by pressing here 1 to front view, and we could just extrude it anyway can extrude this, E, Z to have something like that, then select this face, then E to have something like that, and it will look very strange. Anyway, we can fix it by G X, not too much, something like that, then S a bit. So you can play the whole day with this. Also remember to make this area not very flat like that, you can just add a loop here and scale it, move it like that a bit, so you have something rounded. You can play also here and there, but remember this will affect your poly count. So if you wanna really low poly count, maybe you do one loop enough here and one loop enough here. It's completely up to you. You can also round this, make this bigger. It's completely up to you, but I'm just showing you how this works. So we will have something like that. Now let's fix this area by select this loop, shift, select this loop, then go to side view, shift Z, and let's S along with Y to have something like that. Okay, if you maybe like this. Now we could fix this area also if you don't like this very thick neck. So S, so something maybe like this. So by going to 1 and select this vertex, GY also a bit like that, and maybe to come here. Here I think it's fine, but here in the back let's select those two, G, let's open proportional first, then GY to have something like that, not too much, but it's low poly, remember. Okay, so to have something maybe like that, right click, choose smooth, can go to here, normals, auto smooth, do this, or even let's apply this modifier now. Check up, just finalize the leg. I think the leg is not fixed yet. Here we need to add F and I to insert it like this, and we need just to fix here. There is some work here. No, not till this. Maybe we select those two, then Control plus, maybe like this, and also we will add this and this and this. Okay, so now let's GX to have no, without proportional, GX to have something like that maybe. So kind of flat. Anyway, you have the whole day to play here and there and make it it's your shape. I'm just showing you the basic. Anyway, we can apply it now, but make sure to apply it after you finalize whatever you like, because the mirror you will have to delete again and make a mirror again and so on. So try to finalize it. Anyway, subdivision, and you will have something really strange like that. But remember, it's a low poly, so, and for me I will not add this. We will finish about 500 or so on this shape. Remember, we add something here. For me I will not add it in my shape. Those also I could do this extrusion without those two edges. And here is our basic shape. For hair, clothes, so on, there is too many ways to do it, so we will do it at the end with other shapes. I will show you the difference between adding just a material and assign a textures, and also maybe if we have time I will show you how to, if you have a tablet, drawing tablet like Wacom, or hewn or Cintiq, whatever you have. I will show you how to just bind over this, and maybe if we have time, and also I will show you how to assign textures for low poly, something like cartoony textures. It's very interesting, but remember, textures and so on will if you use this things for game, this will make another load, so it's better to make it but I will show you the all ways, and it's up to you. Till the next lesson, see you.